In this video, I am going to show you how to get unlimited HD photo download from Cutout Pro. So, Cutout Pro offers you limited HD photo download when you open a new account. So, for this tutorial, we're gonna use the temp mail method, which is a site that will give you a disposable temporary email that you can use to sign up to Cutout Pro. So, the first step is to go to the Cutout Pro sign up page and try and open a new account. Then go to the temp mail site and then generate a new disposable email. Copy it and then use it to create an account at Cutout Pro. And when you create the account and use all the limited HD photo downloads on Cutout Pro, just sign out of that account and then generate another email on tempmail.com and then open a new account to get HD downloads. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.